Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna see how to record a video and import that video into CapCut and how to edit this video. Let's begin. First, let's see how to record a video. To record a video, I usually go to the paper record, and click start recording, and you can choose whatever you want: camera plus audio, or screen plus camera, or audio only. It's up to you. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything. You can just record a video, and once you finish recording, there will be a button. So download button will appear here. So you can just download it. That's it. Next, to edit the video, I use CapCut. And to import a video, go to import and click this plus button. And you can select the video that you want. I already imported the video, so I'm just gonna click cancel. Also, there are several standard videos that you can add. You can just click this stock materials. So it's all completely free. You don't have to pay anything to anyone. You can just import any video and it will be available for you. See? So you can import any video. Let me go to this import again. I already imported this video here. Let's see how to import the audio. So you can also add several audio effects on top of your video. Let's see, you can just add. You can add it to like maybe just 3 seconds, or you can just add it to the end. You can just drag it down. It's up to you. Also, you can add multiple audio. See, you can add on top of it, or you can just add it here. So it will continue from almost 7 seconds, I suppose. You can also delete an effect here. So you can add multiple audios like that. Next, let's see how to add text on the video. You can add a text here, like I already did that here. You can just click text and click ABC. So you can also double click on it and you can edit the text. So you can just edit the text, maybe anything you want. I'm just clicking text, whatever you want, you can just add it. It will be added to your image. To how many seconds you want this text, like you can drag and drop like this, and you can add stickers like that. Preview first before adding any stickers. Also, you can add several effects, like make sure you select the ones. If it says pro, you may have to pay for it, so I would just stick to free version. You don't want to spend money. So you just have to click add to track to add this effect to your actual video, but I'm not gonna add it. I'm just like I want to let you know. Also, there are like several transition, like this. There are no continuous clips, so you have to have like this. See, you can also add a transition within this video. You just have to click split here, and yeah, now you can add transition between these two. For these two clips, I just added a transition. So also, like, you can cut this and split any clip. If you want to cut a portion of your video, you can just like click here and right click and delete. So now it's deleted. Once you are done with your editing, you can just click export. You can just select your resolution, even 2K resolution you can select, and bitrate. You can play with it and click export. That's it. We are done with that. Thank you for listening. Bye.